Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Unity Bank customer and you've just received your new ATM card for 2025, you're in the right place. Activating your card is super straightforward and ensures you can start using it for withdrawals, payments, and more. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it from the comfort of your home. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your new ATM card handy, along with the activation code or PIN that came with it. This is usually sent via email or SMS from Unity Bank. If you don't have it, double-check your inbox or contact customer support. Step 1. Download the Unity Bank mobile app from your App Store. In 2025, the app has been upgraded with enhanced security features like biometric login, so it's faster and safer than ever. Once installed, open the app and log in with your existing bank credentials. If you're a new user, you'll need to register using your account number and registered phone number. Next, navigate to the Card Services section in the app menu. Look for the Activate Card option. It's usually highlighted for easy access. Enter the card details, such as the 16-digit card number and the CVV, then input your activation code or PIN. The app will verify this information securely. After that, you'll be prompted to confirm your activation. This might involve a one-time password, OTP, sent to your phone, so keep an eye on your messages. Once confirmed, your card should be active immediately. To be thorough, test it by making a small transaction or checking your balance at an ATM. A quick tip: always activate your card in a secure environment, like your home Wi-Fi, to avoid any potential risks. If you run into any issues, Unity Bank's 24/7 support is just a call away. And there you have it. Your Unity Bank ATM card is now ready for 2025. This process is designed to be user-friendly, saving you time and hassle. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.